There we go. So you say this is a what, Jim?
A Yak 56.
This is a Yak 56. Okay. And it's what percent do you think?
I guess at 20%.
About 20%. What size of prop is that? Is it on there?
Yeah, it's 28,
28.
20,
Okay.
20 inches.
Size of the motor, do you know?
It's DLE 30.
Okay. And are the servos digital or analog?
I think they're analog.
Okay. How many servos do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So let's go ahead and do a pre-flight on it. Let's check the flaps, rudder.
Okay,
Elevator.
rudder,
Okay.
and aileron.
Ailerons. No flaps on this.
No.
Okay.
It's considered an acrobatic plane.
A fixed landing gear. Okay, our dimensions are, just grab that one side. We're looking right at 73 inches wingtip to wingtip. And then from the prop nose to the tail, switch hands here, we're looking at roughly around 68 inches.
Okay.
Okay. And we are going to start this up. This is nitro or
A gas and oil mix.
gas and oil mixed. So it's a 2-stroke or 4-stroke?
2-stroke.
2-stroke. Tells you how much I know about them. Okay, the procedure to turn it on, Jim, is basically you have a main on and off right here.
Yeah, this switches for the battery for the engine.
Okay. And then on the other side, we have another switch for the
All the
all the electronics.
ailerons. And
Oh, okay, that turns on all
elevators
the servos.
and that. Right.
Okay. Okay, and we have this listed on Craigslist and eBay right now. Ready to fly, less radio and receiver.
Yes.
Okay, that'll do it.